Okay, so today we are going to be doing a full renovation on a bathroom that I recently done. Stick around because the end result is beautiful, even if I say so myself. A quick reminder before we start, thank you to those that have subscribed to the channel. If you haven't, please do so. Like, comment, engage. That would really help me out. Thank you. All right, so today is all about the bathroom. And this bathroom was done as part of the One Room Challenge. So the One Room Challenge is an online interior design event that occurs twice a year with people from all over the world, and they have 20 featured designers as well as participants. It's not a competition as such, but it's just an event where everyone is working together to complete a space or spaces within normally 6 weeks, but since we've been in COVID, the event has been extended to 8 weeks. So across the event, people will be doing every room imaginable, whether it's laundries, bathrooms, bedrooms. So I decided it would be a great idea to use this opportunity to complete my bathroom because it was well and truly overdue. So I'll be honest, I didn't complete it within the 8 weeks because there were so many issues. I had mold, we were in COVID, we couldn't have trades, all sorts. But we got there in the end. So within the video, I'll take you through all the processes, what it looked like before, how we came to the vision, developing a mood board, and the different processes until we got to the end. And like I said, it's beautiful. So stick around and let's get into it. This is what it's like now. So we have flooring that's been roughed in, we have the walls, we have flooring, we have the basic shell of a bathroom. That's where the bath is going to go there. This is obviously the shower. It's going to have a shower screen that comes down here. And what else? This is the vanity. So we have the plumbing that's been roughed in as well for the taps. So I always like to start all my design projects with a mood board or a concept board. Mood boards just provide like a visual representation of ideas for your project, and they just make sure that everything is aligned and that you have a clear direction for the project. Not to say that you can't change things, but I just find that it helps to have a general idea of the style, the mood, the colours, and the overall feel for the room or the project space. So the vision for the bathroom was very strong. I was channeling tropical vibes, thinking of Bali and those beautiful outdoor bathrooms with lots of concrete, beautiful timbers, lush planting. That was all of the things that I wanted to see and feel in the bathroom. I really wanted to get a luxury but laid back spa kind of vibe going on. Shopping time, one of my favorite activities. No, I loved shopping for the bathroom because I had to basically buy everything, like from the bath to the vanity to the bench top to the shower. And that's really exciting to be able to shop and get everything from new and get everything you really want. So I did most of the shopping for the bathroom at SCHOTS Home Emporium. I love that store. It just has so many different quirky things in there. I had a look at a few of the concrete basins and then I decided to go for this one. I just love it. We also found some really beautiful mirrors at SCHOTS too. So after eventually sorting out all the moulding and replacing some of the structural timber we had to do, all that kind of boring but essential stuff, it was time to start plaster the walls. After the walls were plastered, we were then able to put the waterproofing. That is so necessary to do before the tiling. I even had a little go of it myself. I'm not saying I was very good. I had to do it with supervision, but I had a go. For the tiling, we got the professionals in. I mean, I just wanted it to be done properly, and I felt like this was the best way. So when the guys did the tiling, they started with the floor first, and the reason for that is because we wanted to have the tiles hang over the tile floor. So the best way to do this was to start with the floor so that the wall tile can then seem to be sitting on the bathroom floor. We got the tilers to add in a couple of these cute little niches just to be able to put our little knickknacks in, bathroom storage, and keep things really organized. So there's one by the shower, and we also have one by the bathtub as well. Once the tiles were laid, this is where I really started to get excited because you could really see things coming together. It made such a big difference. Okay, so next I painted the ceiling, and if I'm totally honest with you, really the ceiling should have been painted before the tiles were laid, because the last thing you want is to get paint on your beautiful tiles. So what we had to do was just to protect the walls, put some plastic sheeting down, and then get on with the painting. But yeah, next time definitely get all your painting done first. In regards to the woodwork, we used this beautiful liquid gold paint in bronze. It is so lush. I painted all the woodwork in black first and then went over it in the bronze paint because it just made it pop even more. So in terms of the installation, the exciting part, this is where we're getting everything together now, and we went for this beautiful live edge vanity bed. I love live edge timber because it's not only because it's sturdy, but because it just has this kind of rugged elegance that you just cannot match. Then when you add that concrete vanity to the live edge timber, pow! The two together are just breathtaking. Not only are they beautiful, but they're also both sustainable materials, so another plus. So the last section of the installation happened really quickly. This is where we fitted in the bath, the taps, the shower screen, the lighting and the storage. They were all fitted, and then all that was left to do was styling. For the styling, I just bought in some lovely pieces that I had purchased, such as this beautiful timber caddy, a bath mat, plants, plants, lots of plants, and candles, all sorts of things that kind of bring the room together. I also picked up this really beautiful ladder which acts as storage for the towels. It actually came from Bali, so it means a lot to me. All of these things together pulled the room together, and we were ready to go. And here it is. So I definitely wanted to create a tranquil space, a feeling of being surrounded by nature and natural elements such as concrete and beautiful timber. And I definitely think that I achieved that with this bathroom. I just love how it feels. It's so calming, and it makes me kind of feel like I'm in a spa, and I could be in Bali if I closed my eyes and thought about it. I love how it came together, and it's such a beautiful space that I enjoy so much. If you want to know more about the process of the bathroom, I did keep a blog for the One Room Challenge event. I'll put the link in the caption below so you can access that. So the blog really goes into a week by week kind of documentary of the process. As well as the bathroom, I also did a laundry and an ensuite. So watch out for the videos of those rooms coming up soon. Okay, so that's all I got for you. But before you go, please let me know your thoughts on the room. Leave a comment, like the video, and I'll catch you soon.